In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete call history in Google Dialer. First, let's start by opening the Google Dialer app on your device. You can locate the app on your home screen or in your app drawer. It typically has a phone icon that is easy to recognize. Once you tap on it, the app will launch, showing you your recent calls and contacts. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for managing your call history. Without accessing the app, you cannot begin the deletion process. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the app. Next up, you will need to click on the menu icon, which is usually represented by 3 vertical dots or lines, typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Tapping this icon will bring up a drop-down menu with several options. This action is important because it provides you with the necessary tools to manage your call history effectively. Once you click on the menu icon, you will see various settings and options available specifically for your calls. After that, you will click on the option that says Clear Call History. This action is direct and to the point. When you tap this option, you will initiate the process of deleting all the records of your incoming and outgoing calls. It's essential to understand that clearing your call history helps in maintaining your privacy and managing your data usage. After selecting this option, you may notice a message or a brief loading animation indicating that the action is being processed. Now, if a pop-up appears asking you to confirm the deletion, go ahead and click on Confirm or something similar. This step serves as a final checkpoint to ensure you really want to erase your call history. It's a good practice to have this confirmation because it prevents accidental deletions. Once you confirm, the call history will be permanently removed from your Google Dialer. You can feel assured that your call logs have been cleared successfully. By following these steps, you have effectively managed your call history in Google Dialer. You can now enjoy a cleaner interface and more privacy regarding your call logs. Each of these steps plays a significant role in ensuring that you have full control over your phone's call records. Deleting your call history not only helps in organizing your app, but also provides peace of mind regarding your privacy. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments. Happy dialing!